What's up, guys? Your friendly neighborhood Disney freak here. Can we interest you in a pape? Yeah, so we're going to the Mickey's Halloween party tonight, and we're going as the Newsies. We got the bags, and in these bags are papes and everything. It's gonna be awesome. Anything you guys want to add?
There may be no lap fitting.
Oh, so you don't want to add the fact that we included the crutch on you?
Children may not ride in
He's going as Crutchy, and I'm going as like the leader, Jack Kelly. It's gonna be a dope freaking Halloween. We feel great in these costumes, and it's awesome.
Entrance Plaza. Thank you.
Alright, you guys, we made it in, and it's already pretty crowded here, but that's not the point, because we're gonna get so much candy, because it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get so sick off of candy, like you have no idea.
Candy.
We're literally at a Halloween party, and it's a Small World clock tower, has a Santa hat on. Even when we were at the castle had snow on it. So we're getting closer and closer to Christmas, and it's still Halloween. Alright, check it out. Going to the 5 and dime, which is how much a pape costs. I'm guessing, I don't know. I wasn't alive during the late 1800s. I'm telling you guys, this party's like really picking up. It's like getting more crowded and crowded. To be honest with you guys, it's never this crowded in Santa Fe, I'm just saying. Hey Crutchy, what'll happen if we don't get our candy?
We're gonna soak them.
Yeah, we're gonna soak them good. You gonna soak them with your crutch?
I need this to walk the other way.
You guys, you won't believe how foggy it is in here. Swat away all the fog. But it's pretty cool Halloween feel, so why not? Alright, if you look behind me, like right there, there's a stagecoach. Kind of like the same cab that I jumped into to escape from the refuge. And I even rode with the Theodore Roosevelt. That's right. Oh, you guys, check out all this treasure. Look, just a handful of this can make me the king of New York. I'm sorry if I'm being really corny, but Halloween is a special day where anybody can literally be anything. We have no idea, but I guess I don't even know what just happened, to be honest. Dad, your comment? Like, it was going well, and then the show, the fireworks just kind of like stopped for a second, and then like, so now we're just standing here. It looks like Main Street is. Is it turning back on, or?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, due to winds at higher elevations and to uphold safety, our fireworks spectacular Halloween Screams cannot continue. We regret any inconvenience this may cause you and hope you enjoy the rest of your evening here at Disneyland. Once again, our fireworks spectacular cannot continue due to high winds. Thank you.
Okay. Well, I guess we better go then. Well, I guess that was it. That was a pretty cool Halloween party. And we got so much candy. We had 51 people actually recognize us. And we barely saw any other newsies tonight. I say barely because there was this one group and they were pretty cool people. But I wish we could have took a picture with them. We have some ideas for next Halloween. Until then, name's Jeremiah Molina, your friendly neighborhood Disney freak. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. All that good stuff. Always and forever, keep dreaming and keep believing, and have a happy Halloween. See you guys.